Now guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to secure a pair for retail through raffles, retailers, etc. And I'll also be giving you my resale predictions as well as to hold or sell the shoes as soon as you get them. Stay tuned guys, let's get it. What's up YouTube, it's your boy back with another banger, man. Today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to cop the Travis Scott 270s that are gonna be coming out this upcoming Friday, guys. Make sure you watch the entire video so you don't miss a part on how to cop. And thank you to all the new subscribers. I appreciate all the support, guys. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Now guys, let's be honest. When these shoes first surfaced on the internet, people did not think these shoes were it, bro. I'm telling you, people thought these shoes were crap. They thought they was, you know what I'm saying, some trash, you feel me? But hey, these shoes are going for 1.2K a few days before release. I don't think nobody's seen this coming, guys. And guys, a few months ago when the Jordan 6 Travis Scott collaboration did drop, these shoes were very hyped. Very anticipated at first. The prices were sky high, you feel me? It was going for around the same price, about 1.2K. But then as the shoes became in rotation and people started to get their pairs in, the prices just started to plummet, guys. People just started undercutting 150, 100. Prices were going down quick, guys. And I hope you don't see this with this shoe, but I'm thinking we probably will. Now guys, in the comment section, let me know if you think these shoes are gonna be a flop like the Jordan 6s, or do you think these shoes are gonna obtain their recent value, like they're gonna stay in the maybe 900, 800 to 1,000 range, or do you think they're gonna flop like the Jordan 6s and go down to the 400 to like 600, 700 range? Let me know in the comments, guys, what you guys think. Start off, these shoes will be releasing May 29th at 10 a.m. Eastern time on Sneakers. Guys, Sneakers is gonna be your best chance at copping these shoes. Once again, Sneakers is one of the best places to cop because they have the most amount of stock, guys. Now today, the Chunky Dunkies did drop. I took a fat L on these shoes, but hey, tell me what you guys got. Tell me if you guys took a W or an L in the comment section. Let me know. I want to see how you guys did. Now guys, these shoes will be releasing in full family size, and I'm talking about adults to toddlers, guys. Now the prices for adults are going to be $170. The prices for kids are going to be $130, and the toddlers are going to be retailing at $90 US. And guys, in my opinion, well, it's not even in my opinion, I know y'all guys can see it too, the toddlers and kids pairs look totally different from the men's pairs. I don't know why they do the toddlers and kids pairs like this. They always make them different from the men's pairs, because I know I got some friends, they still, you know what I'm saying, they got some little feet. They still in kid size. Now, hey, it's nothing against y'all with little feet, you feel me? Because we know what big feet mean. But hey, but this is not the same shoe, guys. As you guys can see on the images, it looks as though less materials were used, and it looks as though less effort was put into making this shoe. The shoes will also come with a stencil to paint on a Travis Scott check. Now guys, you know the Travis Scott check, the backwards check? These will come with a stencil. You can also go to the website and it has like a downloadable stencil to where you can put it on the shoe and spray paint it, because the original images we've seen of this 270, we seen it come with a backwards check. Now, of course, we see that image was probably like a friends and family pair, or it was just like a sample pair. But you can also make your own pair, guys, with this stencil. Now, guys, if you didn't know, the yellow midsole on the shoe also wears a way to reveal a secret design. Kind of similar to how the Dunk revealed a design after it wore away on like the toe panel. I'll put up some images right here. That's kind of hard in my opinion. I kind of like that wear away design concept. They also use a wide variety of materials on this shoe. They go from like fur to all the way to like synthetic leather. It's crazy. The materials that they're using in this shoe are crazy. And I'm not saying I like this shoe like that. You feel me? Like these shoes, they just alright on a 1 to 10. I probably give them like I'll give them a cool. I'll give them a cool like 6.5. You feel me? Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. What do you think these are from a 1 to a 10? Now, as usual, Travis Scott had to release some apparel alongside the sneakers, guys. So as you guys see, there will be a utility hoodie releasing for $150. And, you know, it has a little pocket, kind of like a cargo pants, because everybody knows Travis Scott is notorious for wearing those cargo pants. You know what I'm saying? Them hard cargo pants. There's going to be a pocket tee releasing for $70 US. Now, the pocket tee is the best accessory in my opinion, the best clothing item in my opinion, because it's not too much. Like I feel like the hoodie is a little too much, you know know what I'm saying, like with the pocket and stuff. I would go with a pocket tee if it was my choice, you feel me? And there's also gonna be some utility sweatpants releasing for $125. And in my opinion, the sweatpants are the worst out of the three. I think the sweatpants freaking suck, bro. Like, no, trash, man. Now, guys, let's get into the release info. On the Travis Scott website, you know he likes to do a lot of shock drops, lots of raffles on his own website. So I do suspect they will be running a raffle. Hey, and guys, keep your eyes out from Thursday night to Friday morning or Friday night, because he could be doing something on midnight Thursday. So I would keep my eyes out on that. Just stay alert. All right, guys, let's get to the retailers that are going to be releasing these shoes. There is going to be a lot of raffles. No first come, first serves. It's maybe like 1 or 2 sites that might be doing first come, first serves. Okay, so N is gonna be running a draw for the shoes, as well as the clothing items like the hoodie, the shirt, and the joggers. Bodega's gonna be running a raffle. I'm on Meniere, Bay, Extra Butter, SNS, and Kith. Now your best chances are gonna be SNS, and Kith in that order, because they have the most stock since they are worldwide retailing. Now guys, retail for this shoe is going to be $170 and resale is currently $1,000 and up. Now I do expect these prices to drop as pairs do start to circulate throughout the market. I do suspect prices to drop around 400 to maybe 650 to 700 range, just like we seen the Travis Scott 6s a few months ago drop after they weren't as hyped. And when you do go for these, you do want to focus on men's sizing, because I do only see men wearing this model. Now there's a lot of old sneakerheads that do love the Nike 270 model, and in my opinion, I don't see women wearing this shoe. So make sure you do focus on the bigger sizes. But to increase your chances on copping, I will focus on the smaller sizes, just because that's not going to be people's main focus for profit. And in my opinion, I would not hold these shoes at all. Try to get them off your hands as quick as possible. Sell these right away as soon as you cop, if you do cop. I do suggest selling locally, because you can get the most amount of profit throughout going that way. Because selling on StockX and Go is going to deduct that amount from your profit, and it is going to squeeze that profit margin that you did once have. So I suggest selling locally instead of online. Now guys, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you leave a like and comment down below. What do you think these shoes will reach in the end goal? What price do you think these shoes will reach? In my opinion, I think these will reach maybe 400 to the 700 range. I don't think these boys will be going for a lot. So if you do cop, remember, make sure you get them off your hands quickly. And also let me know any video ideas that you guys want to see me do, because I do need some suggestions. And I also have an Instagram that will be in the pinned comment section. That will be the first link in the description. So make sure you guys go over there and check it out. Make sure you guys go follow me. This has been your boy, and I'm out.